Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot at the iPhone Air. For that you will need the button swap. So we will need the side button and as well the volume up button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview, and if you tap here on the preview you have also the chance to crop here a part of the screenshot, what is very useful if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website or something like this. And what you can do as is, if you tap here on the pen symbol, you can choose a pen here from below and then choose the color and the opacity and so on, and then you can draw something inside or highlight something as you want. After you can share this edited part here with the arrow or with the checkbox, you can set it directly here to the photos or here to the files as you want. I'm more a fan of the photos, and where are the screenshots right now? In my case here the photos, and here it is. And I recommend to you to check also the collections, because you have here at the point pinned an own folder only for your screenshots, what is pretty nice. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And maybe we will see us next time. Ciao.